Advanced past tense conversation. Hey Ria, do you remember our childhood days?
Of course. Those were the best days. You remember how we used to play in the park every evening?
Yes. We played hide and seek and ran around until we were exhausted. What was your favorite childhood game?
I loved hopscotch. Did you enjoy playing with dolls?
Oh yes, I had a whole collection. Did you have a favorite doll?
Yes, I had a Barbie that I took everywhere. What was your favorite toy?
My teddy bear. I slept with it every night. Did you have a comfort toy too?
Yes, I had a small blanket I carried everywhere. Did you ever lose your favorite toy?
Yes, I lost my doll at the mall once, and I cried so much. Did you ever get lost somewhere as a child?
Yes, in a fair. My parents found me near the candy stall. Did you enjoy fairs when you were little?
I loved them. I always wanted to go on the Ferris wheel. Did you like amusement park rides?
Yes, but I was scared of roller coasters.
Were you ever scared of something as a kid?
I was terrified of the dark. Did you have any childhood fears?
Yes, I was scared of thunderstorms. Did you sleep with a nightlight?
Yes, I couldn't sleep without one. What was your bedtime routine as a child?
My mom read me a bedtime story every night. Did your parents read to you?
Yes, my dad used to tell me fairy tales. What was your favorite childhood book?
I loved Cinderella. Did you enjoy fairy tales?
Yes, I always wanted to be a princess. Did you ever dress up as a princess?
Yes, for a school event. Did you participate in school plays?
Yes, I played a tree once. Did you ever win a prize in school?
Yes, I won a drawing competition. Did you enjoy drawing as a kid?
Yes, I loved coloring books. Did you ever paint on walls?
Oh yes, and my mom got so mad. Did you ever get scolded for something funny?
Yes, I once cut my own hair. Did you ever do something mischievous?
Yes, I hid my brother's toys. Did you fight with your siblings a lot?
All the time. But we made up quickly. Did you have a favorite childhood snack?
Yes, I love chocolate chip cookies. Did you bake cookies with your mom?
Yes, she let me mix the dough. What was your favorite homemade dish?
My grandmother's pancakes. Did you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, every summer. Did you enjoy summer vacations?
I love them. We traveled a lot. Did you go on family trips?
Yes, we went to the beach every year. Did you like building sand castles?
Yes. Did you ever collect seashells?
Yes, I had a whole box of them. Did you enjoy swimming as a kid?
Yes, but I was afraid of deep water. Did you ever take swimming lessons?
Yes, but I wasn't very good. What sport did you enjoy as a child?
I loved playing badminton. Did you play any sports?
Yes, I played football with my cousins. Did you ride a bicycle?
Yes, but I fell a lot while learning. Did you have a favorite childhood friend?
Yes, my neighbor. Did you and your best friend ever get into trouble? Yes, we once sneaked into the kitchen and ate all the cookies. Did you ever have a secret hiding place?
Yes, under my bed. Did you ever write a secret diary?
Yes, and I hid it in my closet. Did you ever write letters to your future self?
No, but I wrote letters to my friends. Did you enjoy writing as a child?
Yes, I loved making up stories. Did you ever want to be a writer?
Yes, for a while. What did you want to be when you grew up?
A teacher. Did you play pretend school as a kid?
Yes, I used to be the teacher. Did you enjoy playing with stuffed animals?
Yes, I had a whole collection. Did you ever name your stuffed toys?
Yes, my teddy was called Fluffy. Did you ever have an imaginary friend?
No, but I always pretended my toys could talk. Did you watch cartoons every morning?
Yes, I never missed Tom and Jerry. What was your favorite cartoon?
Doraemon. Did you ever try to copy a cartoon character?
Yes, I dressed like Minnie Mouse once. Did you ever have a favorite superhero?
Yes, I love Superman. Did you read comic books?
Sometimes. Did you collect stickers or stamps?
Yes, I had a sticker album. Did you ever trade stickers with friends?
Yes. Did you ever keep a piggy bank?
Yes, I saved all my coins in it. Did you ever break it to buy something special?
Yes, I bought a toy car. Did you love toy cars as a kid?
Yes, even though I wasn't supposed to. Did you ever sneak candy before dinner?
Yes, and my mom always caught me. Did you ever bake a cake as a child?
Yes, but it turned out terrible. Did you ever help with gardening?
Yes, I loved watering the plants. Did you have a favorite flower?
Yes, I loved sunflowers. Did you ever climb trees?
Yes, but I got stuck once. Did you enjoy picnics?
Yes. We always had sandwiches and juice.
Did you ever fly a kite?
Yes, during festivals. Did you enjoy festival celebrations as a kid?
Yes, I loved fireworks. Did you ever light sparklers?
Yes, but I was scared at first. Did you enjoy birthday parties?
Yes, I loved the cake the most. What was your best childhood birthday gift?
A bicycle. Did you ever receive a surprise gift?
Yes, a puppy. Did you ever try to catch a butterfly?
Yes, but I never caught one. Did you love watching rain from your window?
Yes, and I love jumping in puddles. Did you ever make paper boats?
Yes. Those were fun times. I miss those days. Do you?
Yes, I do. Childhood was magical.